Cameron's brother, and I'm gonna don't be beeping at me. I'm gonna be showing you the 2019 A6. Hello Allison, this is Cameron over at Audi Volkswagen Fall. We're gonna show you the 2019 Premium Plus Audi A6 that we have on our lot. Let's get into it. Okay, Allison, this is Cameron again. Gonna show you the exterior of the 2019 Audi A6. First, you're gonna notice the all-time LED daytime running lights, and you're gonna notice the chrome badging wrapped around the grille of the Audi 4-beam logos, and of course, wrapped around this grille nicely. The Quattro badging is also wrapped in that chrome. Moving on down to the side of the vehicle, you're gonna notice this Audi wheel on the A6. Of course, it's a nice luxury-looking wheel. LED turn signal indicators on the sides of the mirrors for other drivers for safety reasons. And underneath, you're gonna notice there is a little mirror camera underneath there to see how close you are getting to the curb to help for parking reasons. And of course, on the Audi standard, it's gonna be hands-free unlocking on all 4 doors. And of course, your gas cap will be on the right side standard in all German vehicles. And moving on to the back side of the vehicle, you will see the chrome wrapped around this whole back end on the A6, the Quattro, and the 4 Audi beam logos. This has a really nice spacious trunk. We'll get into it. First, you'll notice how deep the trunk actually goes into the vehicle. You will have a little privacy on this side for storage that actually closes, and a nice little privacy cup right here for our cap badging. It has all-weather mats for the back, just so you can throw anything in there like a golf bag or anything for snow brushes, just so it can protect against the Audi cloth. Same thing as the inside interior, but we will get into that. Moving on to the back side of this vehicle, you'll still notice the chrome badging wrapped around the side. Let's get a look into the back seat of the Audi A6. Yes, it is in the brown. This interior is a nice looking color. We'll have heated seats in the back seat of this vehicle. Comes with that cold weather package. It's nice to have any passengers in the back. They also get to control their own temperature gauges and their heated seats. And to open up the 2019 Audi A6. Okay, Allison, Cameron here again to show you the inside of the 2019 Audi A6. First, we'll start off with the left-hand side of the vehicle. You're going to notice the automatic windows in the car, the child safety locks on the left-hand side, your mirror adjustments, power folding mirrors in this vehicle, and you do get heated mirrors for the winter. You will notice your memory seat settings will be right here. It's a 1 and a 2 for a 2-person setting, and of course, you just set that by the set button. Unlock standard in Audi and Volkswagen will be on the top left side and the top right side for the passenger door. Of course, automatic lights in this vehicle, and you do get automatic rain lights in this car. Moving on to the steering wheel, you do get a lot of hands-free options in this car. Above the digital speedometer is the navigation system that you can have thrown up on there nicely, so it's not on the infotainment system of your car. This car is equipped with adaptive cruise control in the vehicle, and of course, automatic wipers when it is raining. We will move on over to the infotainment system of the car. You're going to notice how many cameras are in this bad boy when you throw it in reverse by having about 10 different camera systems in this car. Bird's eye view, back views of the car, back rim views, back front rim views, basically everything you'd actually need to get into a parking spot that can help you out. This is equipped with the Apple CarPlay wireless, Android Auto wireless, and you do get Sirius XM with the vehicle if you're subscribed. Navigation, of course, will get thrown up on here too as well. If you move on down to the climate control part of the car, you're going to notice the heated seats that are in the front of the vehicle, as well as the ones that are in the back. All climate control is pretty touch standard right here, like an iPhone or iPod. You do get a lot of standard features, like the parking sensor. This is like when you throw the car in reverse, but you can just standardly see it from when you are parked. And you do get a lot of driver assistance that in this car. So we have it on the maximum. So all the sensors are really loud in this car, and it does let you know early when you are getting close to something. If you move on over to the dash in the seats of the car, you're going to notice a nice Quattro black finish on the dashboard with a nice luxurious wood inlay trim. And that goes across the whole dash and the armrest of the vehicle. This Okapi brown interior is a really nice looking interior. A lot of people do like it in the brown, all genuine leather for these Audi seats. Really nice and easy to clean up, and they are nice and durable. Above you will be the panoramic sunroof that is inside the car. You're going to notice the sunshade will actually open up in the vehicle, and of course you can open up the sunroof to your liking. Hello Allison, thank you so much for inquiring on the 2019 Audi A6 from Audi Volkswagen Fall River. My name's Cameron Branco. My phone number is 508-441-2543. Have a good one.